Hello everyone! Welcome to my blog, and for today's video, I'm going to share with you one simple but very effective strategy to use to teach values in the elementary pupils. But before that, let me introduce myself first. So hello once again, I am Zedikia Manzerte from BEd 1B. So let's start. For me, the best strategy or the effective strategy to teach values to the elementary pupils is to let them practice those values, or those values that you teach them, or those values that you show them through your actions. And also, having you, an adult or a teacher, as their role model. So we all know that children nowadays are very much likely to observe, especially in this generation. They learn best when they see an example from an adult or a teacher. So if you really want your pupils to be kind, honest, and respectful, we need to show those values through our actions. For example, you are greeting a person politely, or you are greeting your class politely by saying good morning class, or by saying good morning Miss Chu, and then saying thank you and saying you're welcome. So those are the different ways to show your values. So those ways shows that how a good model you are, or you have a good model character. So after showing those values through our actions, we let the pupils to practice those values on themselves. We can do this by giving them small tasks like helping your classmate, sharing your materials, and also saying kind words to each other. So by experiencing this, those values become a part of their daily habit. So for me, the most effective way of teaching values to the elementary pupils is to letting them practice those values and having you as their role model. So simple actions, if they will be repeated daily, it can build strong characters to ourselves and to our young learners. So that's all, and thank you for watching.